Jim from FINZ.tv. I'm going to show you some of the great functionality of the Thinkorswim platform. Daily chart going back to the February of this year of one ES mini future contract against two Nasdaq E-mini future contracts. What it's showing you is a steep decline in the ES. You got to think about it like a currency pair. The first one listed is the one that's been traded against. So you can see the steep decline that's happened over this year with the ES against the Nasdaq. You do 2 to 1, so it goes one futures contract of the ES versus two Nasdaq futures contract. So what is this telling you? Well, it's telling you that all the strength that's happened in the market over this past year has been coming from the Nasdaq stocks, the tech stocks. So it's something you really want to pay attention to, because whatever leads the market will be the first thing to pull back or turn over. So it helps you trade accordingly. Like today, Jeff and I were short the ES futures, and the market started bouncing up, but it was okay to stay in that trade because the Nasdaq futures weren't going with it. So because the strength has come in the Nasdaq, I felt very comfortable because the Nasdaq wasn't popping with the ES futures, that we'd be okay in our trade, and we were. So that's what we use this information for as far as futures traders are concerned. It lets us know where the strength's coming in the market. And the way Jeff and I like to trade the futures, we don't like to use stops. So this type of pairs chart is good for us because it allows us to hedge our position. If we are long or short one ES future and we're on the wrong side of the trade, then we go long or short two Nasdaq futures to beta weight it out. I learned from FARI this weekend that the proper beta weight to hedge it is 5 ES E-mini future contracts versus 9 Nasdaq. But since we're not big dogs, we can only go one contract at a time. We go 1 to 2. We're partnered up with David Elliott of WallStreetTeachers.com, my mentor, and he is going to be providing his nightly charts and chat, which is an extensive review of what happened in the market during the day, where the market's going to be headed tomorrow. He'll be focusing on all the indices, along with gold, oil, the dollar, and then a number of potential plays for all our members and everybody who comes and watches these videos. It's a great thing for us. David is a guy who's taught me everything I know about technical analysis, and I've been following him daily over 3 years now. So we're really excited to have David along with FARI and these other guys that are coming to FINZ to produce such great information and help us all be better traders. Jim from FINZ.tv, peace out.